What was the first empire in history? The title of the first empire in history is often attributed to the Akkadian Empire, established by Sargon of Akkad around 2334 BCE. The Akkadian Empire emerged in the Mesopotamian region, which encompasses present-day Iraq and parts of Syria and Turkey. Sargon is celebrated for his military conquests that unified the Sumerian city-states of southern Mesopotamia, as well as extending Akkadian control over a vast territory that included much of Mesopotamia, parts of the Levant and Anatolia. The Akkadian Empire is considered the world's first empire because it was the first state to rule over a multi-ethnic, multicultural population under a centralized government. The empire is known for its advancements in the arts administration and the Akkadian language, which became the lingua franca of the region for centuries. The Akkadian Empire's influence waned, and it eventually collapsed around 2154 BCE. Due to a combination of internal strife, economic difficulties, and invasions by the Gutians, a people from the Zop